Okay, so this is how to fix. Unfortunately, Candy Crush Saga game has stopped. Or this is also how to fix Candy Crush Saga game keeps stopping problem. So if you want to fix these two problems, this is what you have to do. So first of all, just go to your phone menu and search for your settings, then you tap on it. It's really important. After that, tap on apps and management or apps and notification or app and preference. So after tapping on it, what you have to do next is to tap on see your apps or app list. So when you tap on it, you're going to be around here, which is all your apps info. So what you have to do over here is to search for the Candy Crush Saga game. So if you can't find it, just tap on the search over here, then you search for Candy Crush Saga game. So in this video, I'm gonna use a demo app to demonstrate it to you. So after searching for the Candy Crush Saga game, just tap on it and tap on stop. First stop, then tap on OK, tap on notifications, then make sure notifications is turned on. After that, what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and make sure the background data is um, turned on. Yeah, it's really important. Check the permissions and make sure every permission is toggled on and allowed. So check the storage and cache, then you tap on the click cache, tap on click storage, then you tap on OK, then you go back. After that, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store to check the update of the Candy Crush Saga game. After checking the update and making sure it has been updated, what you have to do lastly is to restart your device. Then after that, you are done. So tap on the power button for lock, then tap on restart, then tap on OK. If you can't find restart, just off your phone, then on it again, and everything is going to work successfully. See you in the next one.